Today I'll show you how to make crispy and crunchy chicken wings. It is very delicious and it's super easy to make. My name is Wonola and welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm using chicken wings for this recipe, but you can also use any part of chicken that you prefer. First of all, I'm going to prepare my seasoning. I'm using chicken seasoning, black pepper, salt, ginger and garlic paste, which can be replaced for ginger and garlic powder, onion paste, which can be replaced for onion powder, curry, thyme, and chili ketchup. I'm mixing all the ingredients together. This is to ensure that it is well combined. I'll add the ingredients to the chicken, mix everything together properly, then cover to marinate in the fridge for about 2 hours. I'll also list all the ingredients used in this video in the description box below. If you are watching this video and you have not subscribed to my channel, please hit the subscribe button and put on the bell notification for more recipes. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and share this video with your family, friends, or anyone that might be needing this recipe. Thank you. To coat the chicken, I'll be using all-purpose flour, cornstarch, salt, and cayenne pepper. I'll be coating the chicken in 2 batches, but I'll list all the measurements in the description box below. Please check the description box for a list of all ingredients and measurements. You need to coat the chicken in the dry ingredients first. This is the cornstarch, all-purpose flour, cayenne pepper, and salt mixture. Then dip in cold water and coat again in the dry ingredients. Let's do that one more time. But at this point, I'm doing in 3s. You can do 1 at a time. You can do 2 or 3 at a time if you prefer. So I'm going to coat them in dry ingredients, dip them in cold water, and coat again in dry ingredients. If you are still watching this video and you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe because there are more recipes coming. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and share this video. Thank you. I am done coating the chicken now and I'll be frying in hot oil. At this point, you want to make sure that the oil is not too hot and the frying process should be on medium heat. While frying, you can just toast them around a little bit and do not overcrowd the pan. The frying procedure should take about 7 to 10 minutes or until golden brown. I'll be repeating the same procedure for the remaining chicken, and that's it. The chicken is ready. You can see it's so easy, and trust me, it's super delicious. Thank you for watching this video. I hope that you enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't. Give this video a thumbs up, share this video. See you in my next video. Bye.